to Placentia Super Service, we're glad you're here. The friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shop in Orange County you can trust year after year. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the difference right away. We listen, we explain, and we make it easy to do business with us every day. Team Placentia Super Service is here to help. Real people, real answers, looking out for your vehicle's health. Families, drivers, businesses, fleets, big and small. We're proud to serve our community and welcome them all. We invite you to schedule a 70-point vehicle inspection, designed to give you a full picture with clarity and precision. Health, safety, and performance from front to back, so you know exactly where your vehicle stands and what it may lack. With that inspection, you receive a free AC performance check, keeping you cool and comfortable. Repairs are extra, that's correct. You also receive a free alignment check with any service you choose. Any adjustments or repairs are extra, but the value's there for you. European, domestic, Asian, Japanese rides, imports, hybrids, EVs, we welcome them inside. Work trucks, vans, SUVs, station wagons too, fleet vehicles 1 ton and under, we take care of you. From daily commuters to hard-working fleets, we keep Orange County moving, street by street. Behind the scenes, we test, not guess, that's our way. Advanced diagnostics and inspections guide every repair we say. Digital vehicle health reports, so you can see what we see. Clear, honest communication, no pressure, just transparency. You make the decisions for your vehicle and your plan. We're here to support you with a trusted helping hand. Appointments are available Monday through Saturday, because convenience matters and your time counts every day. We make it easy to do business with us from start to end. Friendly service, helpful guidance, a shop you can recommend. Backed by a nationwide warranty you can rely on. 3 years, 36,000 miles, so your confidence stays strong. Aftermarket vehicle warranty specialists too, helping navigate coverage and claims for you. We thank you for your trust, it truly means everything. Being part of this community is why we do what we do each morning. This is Placentia Super Service, where care comes first, where honesty meets expertise and trust is never rehearsed. Welcome to Placentia Super Service, your home for peace of mind. The friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shop in Orange County every time. Team Placentia Super Service is here to help you drive on